In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete second copy of Messenger app from your Android smartphone. Today, I'm gonna use Samsung Galaxy S23. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and basically it is very handy feature that allows us to use second copy of Messenger app to sign into another Messenger account. However, if you don't need it anymore, then first off you need to head over to settings. You can tap at settings app icon on your home screen, or you can just swipe down and then tap at that gear. Now guys, at settings, we need to scroll down until we find advanced features. And here, if we scroll down a bit, we can easily find the option Dual Messenger. It is an Android feature that allows us to sign into a second account on some applications by creating a copy of those applications. And then if we get in here, we can easily find that this option is now active for Messenger app. And now guys, in order to remove the second copy of Messenger app from our smartphone, we just need to tap right here to turn off the toggle next to Messenger. Now down below here it says that all data related to your second copy of Messenger will be deleted, but you'll still be able to use your main copy of Messenger. If you would like to keep app data, select it. However, I'm just gonna hit add uninstall. And now if we head over to the home screen, we can see that now the copy is gone from our home screen as well as from our app library. Basically guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.